Hi friend, welcome my channel World of Pranavi. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more educational videos and learning tips, GK, question and so many other interesting videos. My father is my hero and the best person in my life. My father is my best friend and I can share each and everything with him. He is very honest and sweet and loving person. He is a teacher. He teaches me good manners. He is very hardworking. He takes care and of the entire family. He helps me in my studies and solves all my problems. My father is an ideal person of my life. He is a source of inspirations for me. He fulfills my needs and wishes without any complaint. My father always believes me and shows a sense of confidence in me. He respects and helps everyone. My father is my role models, friends, protectors, guiders and heroes. My father is the best father in the world and I love him very much. Father's Day is celebrated on the third Sunday of June every year. This year it will be celebrated on 19th June 2022. This day is dedicated to all the fathers around the world. Father's Day is celebrated to express one's respect and love for fathers.